if you're ready to get up close and personal with the great outdoors, a great pair of binoculars is absolutely essential. They can turn a distant blur into a crystal clear moment, whether you're bird watching, hunting, or just taking in a breathtaking view. But with so many options out there, which one is right for your next adventure? Before we dive in, make sure to use our links in the description below to check the latest discounts on Amazon for every product we talk about. Let's get started. Number 5. The Sogries PY10x50 HD Binoculars. Starting off our list at number 5 is a fantastic value option that punches well above its weight class. The Sogries SPY10x50 binoculars are built for adults who need reliable performance without breaking the bank. They feature a fully multi-coated green film on the objective lens and high-index Bach-4 prisms, which work together to provide surprisingly bright, clear, and crisp viewing. They are dry nitrogen waterproofed, making them completely fog-proof and ready for any weather condition you might encounter. A smooth central focus knob and turn-and-slide rubber eye cups allow for hours of comfortable viewing. With a durable non-slip grip and a wide field of view, these are a solid, dependable choice for anyone from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts looking for a great deal. Number 4. The Adasion 12x42 HD Binoculars with Phone Adapter. Coming in at number 4 is the perfect all-in-one kit for the modern adventurer who loves to document their journey. The Adasion 12x42 binoculars pack a powerful punch with their magnification, yet they remain remarkably lightweight at just over a pound. They shine in low-light conditions thanks to their professional-grade Bak4 prisms and fully multi-coated lenses that maximize light transmission. The real standout feature here is the bundle, which includes a newly upgraded universal phone adapter and a compact tripod. This lets you easily capture photos and videos of the breathtaking views you discover. With an IPX7 waterproof rating and twist-up eye cups for eyeglass wearers, these binoculars are a versatile and complete package for hiking, travel, and sports events. Number 3. The Sogries PyX10x50 IPX7 Waterproof Binoculars. Taking the number 3 spot is another offering from Sogries, but this time stepping up significantly in durability and weatherproofing. These 10x50 high-power binoculars are built with an IPX7 rating, meaning they can survive being submerged in 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. This makes them an incredibly tough partner for kayaking, hiking in storms, or any rugged environment. They also feature fully multi-coated optics and Bach-4 prisms for bright, clear images with superior light transmission. A key design note is their firm focus wheel, which is intentionally tight to maintain the waterproof seals. While they are a bit heavier and may benefit from a tripod for extended use, their rugged reliability in the toughest conditions is unquestionable. Number 2. The Peiketao Premium ED 10x42 Binoculars. For those seeking superior optical clarity and color accuracy, the number 2 pick is a standout. The Peiketao Premium ED binoculars utilize extra-low dispersion glass, which virtually eliminates chromatic aberration for an image that is sharper and truer to life. They go even further with an ESP dielectric coating that reflects over 99% of the light to your eyes, bringing you a clear, bright image with accurate color reproduction. They are purged with argon gas, which is a premium feature as it has lower thermal conductivity than nitrogen, effectively resisting internal fogging and oxidation across a huge temperature range from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius. The combination of phase-coated Bach-4 prisms and large 24mm eyepieces ensures a strong and incredibly comfortable viewing experience, even during extended periods of glassing. Built with a magnesium alloy lens body and a sophisticated rubber-armored exterior, they provide excellent shock resistance and a firm, non-slip grip. This thoughtful blend of high-end optics, advanced fog-proofing, and durable ergonomics makes these a top-tier optical instrument for serious birdwatchers and hunters who will not compromise on performance. Number 1. The Sogries 12 by 50 ED Binoculars. Our number 1 choice for the best all-around premium binoculars for outdoor adventure goes to the Sogries 12 by 50 ED model. These binoculars represent the pinnacle of the features we've discussed, combining them into one exceptional package. The professional ED glass lenses drastically reduce color fringing for incredibly accurate color reproduction, while the BAK4 roof prism design further improves optical performance by eliminating stray light. A green FMC anti-reflective coating on the objectives reduces reflected light, boosting light transmission to make the image exceptionally bright and enhancing overall clarity for a vividly clear viewing experience. The composite body and magnesium alloy shell make them surprisingly lightweight and easy to carry, reducing fatigue during long expeditions, while the ergonomic design includes rotatable eye cups for customized comfort. A center focus wheel allows for quick and easy fine-tuning to ensure a sharp image even for users who wear glasses. With an IPX7 rating, they are nitrogen-filled and O-ring sealed for complete waterproof protection, preventing water ingress and internal fogging in rainy, humid, or demanding environments. Due to this comprehensive build and brilliant optics, they are perfectly suited for a vast range of activities from travel and concerts to serious birdwatching, hunting, and even marine sports. They provide a reliably superb and high-quality viewing experience in any condition, securing their spot as our absolute premium pick. That wraps up our tour of the top 5 binoculars for your next outdoor adventure. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect pair to bring the world closer. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Have a great one, and happy exploring!